Today, I'm going to teach you about a ball change dance move. It's one of the simplest things you can do. A ball change means you're on the balls of your feet and it's just simply a transfer of the weight, okay? Now we do this by just doing a simple step, okay? So if you were in neutral position right here, you go step, step, okay? And that's just a ball change. That just transfers weight to weight, okay? Now if you were facing this direction, okay, and you had 1 foot forward, same concept. It's just a step behind and a step forward, just changing the leg. If I was to repeat the ball change, step, 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 okay? Step, 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 step. That's just a ball change. So when you hear me refer to ball change in choreography, or if you're at a dance class and somebody says, from here, I want you to then ball change and take 2 steps to the left, they mean ball change 1, 2, okay? So if you're here, ball change, 2 steps to the left, always, okay? We go behind, step, 1, 2, okay? Simple. Now, with the ball change as well, you can also do this as like a groove, and it can be used as a move. I'm going to show you how you do that right now. You'll go behind, same principle, and step. And then step together. Behind, step out, just a little bit, step together. Step, step, boom. You go step back onto it. Because it's ball change, you're transferring the weight. It means you've got to transfer your weight, back. Weight, weight, back. So the weight transfer is the key here with the ball change. Going back, forward, neutral. Back, forward, neutral. Now, one last thing. Watch my body. Leans back. It drags. It's got a delayed effect. Lean and boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let your shoulders roll with it, yeah? Shoulders drag back. Boom, boom, boom. Have a little head move back. Drag your neck and back, yeah? I would also slightly change my direction with it too. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's practice that to some music. Let's go.